Namaskar, dear students. I hope and pray that you and your family members are all safe and healthy. It is good to be interacting with you through this online digital platform. We are trying to do the most that we can during this challenging situation. I will be taking care of EN 3103 conversational skills paper. Next, I will be discussing the syllabus and I have a small task designed for you. Please make sure that you watch the video till the end. The code of the paper is EN 3103 Conversational Skills. There are three units in our paper. Unit 1, face to face interaction in formal and informal situations such as greetings, replying to greetings, introducing others, welcoming, bidding farewell, appearing in an interview, and talking about oneself. Unit 2, we have telephonic interactions such as taking messages, making appointments, making inquiries regarding travel or hotel bookings, apologizing, complaining, and giving information. Unit 3, face to face interactions through public address, presentation through role play, simulation, describing products and services, describing processes, answering trade inquiries, persuading people, giving opinions, presenting arguments, explaining, proposing, and presenting a product. Now, students, the first thing that should come to your mind when you are reading the syllabus of the paper is that the paper is practical in nature. The paper will follow the conventions of British English and not American English. Most of the components in the syllabus are something that we would have already engaged at sometime during our lives, whether it is greeting informally, inquiring about travel bookings, preparing for a presentation, or even facing an interview. These components will be practiced as I shall be allotting various tasks at regular intervals. Even though the paper is titled Conversational Skills, 40 marks grading will be through the written examination. So, I shall be discussing the conventions of writing conversations. There is no compulsion to procure the reference books. If you do possess the reference books, it is good. If not, I shall pass on the notes and material. Before I end my video, I would like to allot a task to everyone. You need to record a short audio and email it to me. Excuse me. Your audio should include your name, your roll number, and something that you would like to share with your classmates. Something about you, something about life, or something about even the current situation. Make sure that you do not exceed your audio by more than 1 minute. Kindly do not post anything obscene or objectionable. What I will do is that I will compile all your audios in one file and share it with us. Remember to email me and not to WhatsApp me. I will see you soon. Thank you.